Which of the following is not a common clustering algorithm? Which of the following is a distance-based clustering algorithm? What is the main objective of clustering? Which of the following statements about k-means clustering is true? In multivariate data analysis, what is the term used to describe the process of reducing the number of variables while preserving the essence of the original data? Which of the following is not a method of dimensionality reduction? What is the purpose of feature scaling in data preprocessing? Which of the following is a technique used to handle missing data in a dataset? Which of the following is a measure of the spread of data points around the mean? Which of the following is not a common measure of similarity used in clustering algorithms?